So I was driving home and I saw a sign that said Connecticut State Park. So I figured this is not private property, so I decided to venture in and have a look. I saw one car, which means there's one person here, or two, maybe even three. So here I am. What happened here? A car crash? A plane crash? Welcome. Scan the code for a PDF file of the trails. Cool. I won't though, because I'm not taking long. But let's see. This is so beautiful. You know, whenever I say something is beautiful, it is in the eyes of the beholder. And I behold beauty. Look at these tall trees. They're so straight. Look at them. Okay, this is going uphill. I don't know what the destination is. I don't know what's going to be at the top of the hill. I don't think I'm going all the way up there today, because I was just passing. I hear sounds. Oh, it's rain. Rain is coming. I wish I could be at the top already to see what the prize is. But apparently it's just more of this. If it's a park, shouldn't it be like some sort of attraction, something to see other than the trees? Okay. So the road turns here. Does it go there? Oh yes, it goes there as well. This one looks creepy though. I don't know. This one looks like it hasn't been traveled much because the path isn't very clear. I hear a bird calling. Sounds more like a warning. At least I could run here if I have to run. Walk a little faster. See if I could get to see it faster, because there must be something up here. Can't just be a path to nowhere. Is this tree across the path supposed to be a warning, an omen, or just a random fallen tree that nobody bothered to move? Okay, so it's just more forest. Look at these trees. Let me see if I can zoom out. So it's just more of this. One day I'll come back when there are families on the trail, because crazy as I am, I know I'm not supposed to be up here, because I've seen the movie. Like, I've seen all the movies. Okay, so it's just more. I'll go back now. Thanks for staying with me. So pretty much it's just more of what I just saw. Let's go horizontal. So I came on the path to see what was up here. I've been walking, haven't seen anything. This is beautiful. not a soul. Just the sound of some distant traffic and a little bit of rain hitting the leaves. Every now and then there's a bird call. It's a walking path, so I haven't gone off the beaten path. It's just not. Nothing more to see. Fern. And that's where the path diverged. But it doesn't look like the path. Well trodden. This is the path not taken. Let's see what's over here. Pretty sure. Oh, there's another. So the path gets clearer here, but still leads to nowhere. Well, wherever it leads, I won't find it today. I'm going to scan the barcode to see the trails and see what prize lays at the end or what is in the center. Okay, going down is harder because it's slippery now. It feels slippery going down because I'm going faster. Coming up wasn't so bad. It rained, well, it rains every day. I was gonna say it rained yesterday, but it rains every day. In here, I feel the presence of God more than anywhere else. Look at this. This is my daily dose. And a daily dose of this, just walking and walking and walking, looking at fallen trees and just more leaves, hearing twigs snap under my foot and seeing a wreckage of something. Okay, so it's a car. Did somebody really dump the wreckage of a car here? Did somebody really do that? I guess it gives it some mystique. If it were a plane, it would be more interesting. Alright, I'm going to stop recording because I have to scan the barcode so that I can find out about these trails. Thanks for coming with me. Okay, so the code is wet and it's not scanning. They need to double laminate it. So even if it rains, it's not affected. It looks like it's just inside of a plastic casing, but not laminated. No matter where you are in Connecticut, you'll always see a horn. And so I'm back. Okay, so there is something to be seen. Come back another day. So 2 cars out here, 1 mine, 1 for a stranger. Over here you have a bunch of stables. It's lovely when the horses are out, but it's a rainy day. I don't know if horses don't like horses. So that's the sign. And I'm back. Well, there's a fence here. So I don't know what they're trying to tell me with this fence. Well, let us go over there and see what they're trying to tell me with this fence. If they want me to hear it, they have to say it more clearly. Okay, so pretty Pretty much nothing. Nothing to see. I think it was for me this one so I can put a house in it. This tree is lovely. Same one over here. Yeah, I saw nothing. Going back over the fence.